Good morning. So my name is
Star.
Teacher
Teacher.
Professor. Look at teacher. Look at teacher. Very good. So Ziki, how are you today? How are you?
How are you?
You say I'm fine. What can you see on the table? What is this?
Play-Doh.
Yes, very good. Good job. Okay, so let's open. Okay, let's open. Oh,
no.
wow. What is this?
Play-Doh.
Okay, hold it. Hold it. Hold it to be on. Feel it. Feel. Okay, feel it. Right hand. Where is your right hand? Right. Right. So this is your right hand. Can you say right hand?
Right hand.
Okay. So, can you feel it? Okay, next. Touch it on the other hand, on your left hand. Touch. Yay! Squeeze. Squeeze like this. Squeeze. Squeeze it on your left hand. Squeeze. So, what do you call this? It's a?
Play-Doh.
Yes, it's a Play-Doh. So, good job. You have a magic star. All right. So this time, what is this? What is this? Can you say tissue? Tissue paper. Okay. So let's tear.
White.
Yeah, tear like this. Tear. 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 Good job, ZK.
Good job.
Good job.
What
What is this? Look at this. Sit down. Okay. What is this? Okay, can you say?
Finger.
Yeah, fingers. Let's know the part of our fingers. This is the thumb. Where is your thumb? Here. Thumb. Can you say thumb?
Yes.
Thumb. Say it again. Look at this. CK, look at this. What is this? Can you say index finger?
Finger.
Index.
Index.
Okay, good job.
Good job.
Okay, good job. So
Okay.
this is your magic star. Okay? So this is middle finger. Where is your middle finger? This middle finger. Can you say middle? Middle. Middle. Okay? Where is your middle finger, ZK? Where? Where? This? Middle. And this is the ring finger. Look at this. Ring. Okay, and this? What is this? What is this? A pen? Yes, a pencil. Today we are going to learn how to grip. Can you say grip? A pencil. Okay. Look at this picture. What can you see in the picture? Yes. It's a pencil and a hand. So we are going to learn how to hold a pencil. Can you say hold? Hold. Like this. Okay, this is yours. Okay?
Good job.
Yes. Good job. Give me high five. High five. Very good. Okay, so this is your paper. Okay, and this is a, what is this? What is this? Look at teacher, what is this? Pen?
Pencil.
Yes, pencil. Very good. So, you need to hold the pencil using your thumb. Okay, what is this again? Can you say index? Index. Okay, can you do this? Down. Hold. Okay, scribble. Write it in your paper.
B-I-N-G-O.
B-I-N-G-O? Oh, bingo!
Yay.
Yay! High five. Job well done. Or what? Okay. Write it. Okay.